Hello and welcome to Profitolizer. Let us guide you through the process of adding marketing and PR under the expenses. The marketing and PR page allows you to enter and manage expenses related to marketing and public relations activities. This helps in planning and budgeting for promotional and advertising efforts. After logging in, go to Expenses and select Marketing and PR. The main table displays the marketing and PR expenses and their respective costs across different dates. To add expense, click on the plus Add Expense button to create a new marketing or PR expense. You will be prompted to enter details such as the expense name and enter the monthly cost. Then click the green button. You can also edit or delete this expense name or cost. To edit the expense name, click on the expense name, then edit expense name or cost and click the green button. Or if you want to delete the expense name, click the trash bin icon and click delete. Be cautious, as this action is irreversible and will delete all items within the group. Thank you for watching this video.